Good evening, everyone. In today's class, we are just going to see a topic in a lesson, chemistry in daily life. And then the page number what we are going to cover is 65 and 66. So here, what is the topic we are going to discuss is about ORS. What is meant by this ORS? ORS, it is nothing but an oral rehydration solution. So what is meant by this rehydration? See, in the year 1971, okay, in the year 1971, Dr. Dilip Mahalanobis, what he did is, first thing he just had a solution. A solution means it is nothing but a mixture of water, okay, water content with the salt. Okay, like a one mixture he have found to cure a disease called diarrhea. Okay, mostly in that small children they will be affected by this diarrhea disease. Okay, diarrhea means it is nothing but the over loss of water from a body continuously. If children he is going for a restroom or anything, means what it happens, that water completely it will be lost from our body. For that process, that complete loss, so it is called as dehydration. So here becomes what is meant by this rehydration means, again how we can gain that water in our body. Okay, the water loss, if it is more, means that is considered as dehydration. And then here rehydration means what, again that water it can be gained in our body. How we can gain that? Okay, that is what it is called as rehydration. And the solution what we are using for this is called as ORS. Okay, that is what we are calling it as oral rehydration solution. And then here what it happens is, it also helps in replacing fluids lost. What is meant by this fluids lost means, it is nothing but the same, that water fluids and everything, whatever it is just replaced, everything it will be taken back by this oral rehydration solution. And then here if we see the sodium, it is sodium content in our body, it is very much important for its function. Okay, our body function it should be normal, means we need at least enough sodium content it should be there in our body. Okay, or else what it happens, our body function it will be not normal. Sodium it is nothing but it is also a salt content. Okay, salt content, essential salt content also it is needed by your body for its function. Okay, but here what it happens, when that water loss it happens, everything it will be lost from our body. Okay, everything it should be gained back. For that only we are just going to use this ORS solution. And then simply if we are just drinking that water, okay, solution I said that it is a mixture of salt. If simply we are taking it inside, okay, will it just reaches our blood and everything? Can we gain that energy from that directly? Means no. Okay, our body it will not take it directly. What it happens is, through in that intestinal wall, okay, in our body, in that intestinal wall what it presents, that essential fluids it will be present. And also what happens is, the thing whatever we are just taking inside through our mouth, whatever we are taking, it will be directly just mixed with the bloodstream, and then from that it will be absorbed. Okay, that absorption process, how we are just getting absorbed means, that process it is called as osmosis. Only through this osmosis process what it happens, we are just that the liquids whatever we are taking, it will be taken inside our body. Okay, through this osmosis process. And then what it happens, again everything it will be returning back. Okay, this is the main use of this oral rehydration solution. So oral rehydration solution means what it first they have just make a trial with the single salt, only that salt and water content, and later they come to know only that it is not enough. So what is the mixture they have taken is, they have taken 6 tablespoons, okay, 6 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, 6 tablespoons of sugar, and with that only half tablespoon of salt. Okay, this is the normal ratio measurement. Okay, for in how many liter of water means, in 1 liter. Okay, in this 1 liter of water, what they have taken is 6 tablespoons of sugar and half tablespoons of salt. Okay, this is what the normal ratio which is given for the children. Okay, because if the sugar content it is more, means what will happen, the diarrhea it will become very worse. Okay, and also if the salt is over means usually salt content it should be normal. If it is more, it will be not even good for our health itself. Then what about children? It will be very bad for them. Okay, so that is what that equal measurement, this measurement should be taken and it should be properly given to the children, which is very best medicine for this diarrhea process. Okay, so when we are just giving all these things, what it happens, it just again that water content whatever it is lost, it will be regained by our body, which is good for the children, and the diarrhea it will be reduced by this oral rehydration solution. And then here how we can just prevent the children from diarrhea. Okay, if diarrhea it is there means how we can just previously how we can prevent it. See, first one, the zinc content in our body. Okay, whatever it is there, it should be proper. And the next one, food items. So what are all the food items? They want to take a proper food and also it should be healthy. Okay, such food items it should be taken by the children's. And then the fluid content, normally with whatever the fluid content in our body, it is essential, it should be proper, it should not be lost. Okay, if it is lost, then and there we have to check it up and we want to just give the proper medication for that. And the next one, it is proper sanitation. It means often we want to just make the children to wash their hands, and then they should maintain a proper hygienic. Okay, they should be proper hygiene. What is mean by that hygiene? Everything it should be taught for the children's. And the next one, it is vaccination. It means whenever the children they want to be vaccinated at a proper time, they want to be, this vaccination it should be given for them properly. And the next one, the vitamin A. The vitamin A content it is very much important for our body, and also that vitamin A rich food items it should be given for the children properly. And then hand washing. So this as I said, the hand washing it is very much important. Then and there, either after playing they want to wash their hands immediately, and then before eating, after eating. Okay, so whenever it is very much essential, they want to use it properly, and a regular washing of hands it is very much important. And then the last one, it is ORS. It means to just regain the water loss and the fluid loss in our body. These are all the diarrheal causes. Mostly if anything it is lost in this means they will be caused by this diarrheal disease. So everything it should be maintained properly for children to be healthy. Okay.